So my name is Shashank, and I'm a third year law student currently pursuing my BLLB from University of Calcutta, and my primary area of interest is corporate law, more specifically competition law. And at the present, I'm a trainee associate at Law Seco, and working as the post anchor for the competition law, and also working as a student coordinator in the contract drafting course. Well, to be very honest, Law Seco has been a life-changing, what should I say, a nexus event for me, where I was struggling a lot in my first year in of my law school, where I didn't have much of a direction of what should I pursue in my career. Then I came across Law Seco's. I think I saw Shweta ma'am's video on competition law, like the scope behind the competition law and how it is an upcoming area in India. And following that, I did some research on my own, did some study on what exactly is competition law, and then decided to just take up the course. After taking up the course, what I got to learn is what associates they do in law firms. So the course by Law Seco was designed in such a way that it gave me the skills that an A0 associate has in of a competition law, of a competition lawyer working in a competition team. And it has been an amazing journey for me in Law Seco as of now, because through this course I was given the opportunity, and because of my performance in this course, the course anchor that time, Shweta Raj, she gave me the opportunity to work at Law Seco, and rest is history. I'm currently working, as I've told before, I'm working as a course anchor for competition law and also student coordinator for diploma and contract drafting courses. Well, like I have said before, I owe everything in my professional life to Law Seco as of now. So what initially I had planned in my professional path was, maybe I'll do a competition law course and then start applying for internships. But since now I'm working here at Law Seco, I do have the opportunity of doing internships at other places. But I like it over here, working in the legal tech company, making exercises, writing chapters for the students. And I like I did not have a plan, like a backup plan. It is not a backup plan, sorry, but as a secondary plan, like I've never thought of working in a company before. I've always thought like I will be working in a firm. So through Law Seco's course, it gave me a new direction in my professional career. Like I have the option of now even doing freelance work in while learning contract drafting, while learning the skill taught in contract drafting course. So it just diversified my choices, what I can pursue in my professional life. Before meeting Law Seco, I did not have that clarity or that opportunities in my mind or anything like that. I had only one goal to join a law firm, but now I have several opportunities that I can pursue only after doing a course in Law Seco. So, to be very honest, the first and second year, in my opinion, is the most crucial years of your law school life. You have 10 semesters, I know that, but these first 4 semesters is going to decide what you will be doing, what you are going to pursue in your life, okay? And these 2 years will be very tough on you because it is a new field for you guys. You won't know how to approach law subjects, the examinations, the professors. You won't have much idea on that, and then also you have the pressure of doing internships, gaining experience, because in our field, knowledge and practical skills both matter a lot. So my advice would be like, just use your first and second year to explore n number of areas of law. Do what I did not in my first and second year. Do explore non-traditional areas like working in a company or working in a startup, because the exposure the law firms give you is good enough. I know, I understand that, but the exposure, then the growth opportunities in startups in India, working with startups in India is it's like, what should I say? It's a booming industry right now, and you should definitely check out working with startups, legal tech companies, or any education companies, and if possible, write articles a lot, right? in Law Seco, one thing that they have helped me is like writing down articles and publishing them on websites. And the idea behind and the what is actually helpful for with the writing by writing articles, that they give you a clear thought process of how about the subject, number one, and how you put down your thoughts in on paper. So that's my second advice for the law students. Like they should write a lot of articles in their first and second is, to be very honest, they should write articles throughout their life, but in first and second year you should focus on writing, on brushing up your writing skills and writing a lot of articles. So in my opinion, what we are doing, what Law Seco does to a student's life, it depends, to be very honest. And like I gave my best while doing the course, and hence I got success in in competition in this course. Okay, what I want is the problem is that the students, they do lack motivation to pursue their course. Like they take up the course in the starting, they have the initial fire of doing that course, but as time passes on, they lose that fire. I want Law Seco to try and engage in students in such a manner that that fire is ignited throughout the course, throughout the duration of the course. That's one advice for them. And second advice is that please don't stop exploring different non-traditional areas in law or in anything else, because you guys are giving opportunities where we as law students or even for lawyers, they did not exist. So please don't stop exploring. Keep exploring, keep growing. That's my only advice to them.